Hello everyone! Are you ready to make your house feel more like fall? There's no better time to add warm, welcoming decor than when the air gets crisp and the leaves start to change color. Fall is a great time to enjoy the beauty of neutral colors and soft textures that make your home look good and feel good. Decorating for fall with neutral colors makes a classic look that goes with any style, and it's easy to change things up as the seasons do. In this video, we will talk about bland, cozy fall decorating ideas that will make your home feel warm and welcoming. Add soft throw blankets. A soft throw blanket thrown over your couch or chair says cozy like nothing else. Choose throws in light brown, beige, or cream that are not too bright or dark. This color scheme goes well with fall decorations and gives your living room a cozy feel. A cozy, layered look can be achieved by layering different textures, such as knitted or fake fur throws. They not only look nicer, but they also keep you warm when it gets cooler at night. They're easy to change out when the seasons change, so your place stays cozy and useful all year. Add textures from nature. Using natural textures is one way to make your home feel warm and cozy. Think of things like linen pillows, woven boxes, and wooden trays. These things look great with gray fall decor. Things made from nature, like wood and bamboo, give off an earthy vibe that makes a room feel more welcoming. You can put a basket with pumpkins or dried flowers in it on the table, or you can use a wooden tray to show off fall decorations and candles. The mix of natural textures gives the room depth without making it too busy. Change the covers on your pillows. One of the easiest and least expensive ways to make your home look new for fall is to change the pillow covers. To make your space feel cozy, choose neutral colors like tan, brown, or cream, and try out different textures like velvet or knit. Putting pillows of different sizes and shapes on your couch, bed, or even a bench will make it look cozy and inviting. Neutral colored pillows are also great because they go well with holiday decorations, so you can mix and match them all year long. Use candles for a warm glow. Candles are a must-have for fall decorating because they make the room feel cozy right away. To get into the fall spirit, pick candles that are a neutral color and smell like pumpkin spice, vanilla, or cinnamon. Put them on coffee tables, mantles, or windowsills in groups. To make things more interesting, use different heights and sizes. As an extra touch, put them in candle holders made of wood or ceramic. Candles not only give off a soft, welcoming light, but they also make your home feel warm and calm. Layer rugs for extra warmth. Adding layers of rugs to your room in the fall is a great way to make it warmer and more interesting. Put down a big neutral rug, like sisal or jute, and then put down a smaller, softer rug on top of it. This makes the room look better and feel better underfoot, especially in bedrooms or sitting rooms. You can choose neutral-colored rugs, but you can also try out rugs with different designs and textures. Adding layered rugs to your home is a great way to make it feel cozier and more inviting. Bring in fall plants. Use fall leaves as decorations to bring a bit of nature into your home. You can hang neutral-colored wreaths on doors or above the fireplace. They are made of dried leaves, eucalyptus, or pampas grass. You can also put dried grasses or twigs in small vases and put them on tables or shelves. This natural element brings the beauty of the outdoors inside, making the space feel calm and peaceful. Dried leaves also last all season, so they are an easy way to prepare for fall. Create a neutral fall tablescape. Use neutral colors like white, cream, and tan for your eating table. A linen table rug, woven placemats, and simple white dishes will make your fall table look elegant and cozy. To make the fall feel stronger, add natural elements like small pumpkins or wooden stands. Putting together a light arrangement or a centerpiece of dried flowers ties the whole thing together. This easy but stylish setup is great for everyday meals or special fall gatherings. Incorporate wooden accents. Adding wooden details to your fall decor is a great way to make it feel rustic and warm. Decorative bowls, picture frames, and a coffee table made of wood all add warmth and charm to a room. You can even find pumpkin-themed wooden decorations or trays. Wood's basic tones go with a lot of different color schemes, which makes it easy to add to your current decor. Adding wood to your home gives it a warm, grounded look that's great for fall. Display neutral pumpkins. Pumpkins are a classic fall decoration, but go for white, beige, or pale green pumpkins instead of the traditional orange ones. These soft tones go well with a neutral fall color scheme while still adding a fun fall touch. For a beautiful fall show, put them on your mantle, dining table, or front door. To make it more interesting, you can mix sizes and forms. Neutral pumpkins are flexible and can be used for both Halloween and Thanksgiving decorations. Put on soft slipcovers. Adding neutral-colored blankets to your couch or chair covers is an easy way to make your furniture look new for fall. To keep the look warm and welcoming, choose colors like taupe, gray, or cream. They are stylish and useful for fall because they are easy to take off and clean. Conclusion: with these nice and neutral fall decorating ideas, your home will always feel welcome and warm. Neutral colors make for a classic and classy look. Whether you add natural elements, layer textures, or change small details, enjoy how simple and pretty gray fall decor is, and how it makes your home feel cozy and warm. Do not forget to subscribe, share, and comment.